Hello, kids! Today we are going to draw Peppa Pig and George. Oh no! They woke up with a really loud and annoying noise. Everyone got up, but the noise seemed so close. Where is this noise coming from? Daddy Pig and Mummy Pig are trying to find it. Peppa and George are very sleepy, but the noise won't let anyone sleep. After looking everywhere, they finally found the noise. It was coming from Mummy Pig's clock. Everyone thought it was funny and can now go back to sleep. Let's color our drawing with the coolest colors. I love using all the colors and making the drawing very colorful. Our drawing is looking beautiful. How many colors? Wow! Amazing! If you also like Peppa Pig, subscribe to the channel to watch the next video.